Hey everyone, Matteo here and welcome back in my RC garage. Thanks again for stopping by and watching. Today I have here a new box from RocHobby. It's the original 1941 Willys Jeep, which is the smaller brother of the 1/6 scale Willys Jeep from RocHobby. This one is in 1/12 scale. The car comes ready to run with radio, battery and charger. Here are some of the amazing scale details. And here some functional features are explained. For example, working LED lights and 2-speed transmission. And some of the optional parts are available separately, such as a canvas top. As you can see, the Jeep is very well packed. And already here we can see the incredible details on this little car. And here you can see how small it is. It's about half the size of a 1/10 scale crawler like an XL S610. This is the 2.4 GHz pistol transmitter with additional functions under this cover. I think it has 4 channels, but with different modes it can control more than 6 functions. And in this pack is the battery and the USB charging cable with the integrated balancer. It is a 2-cell LiPo with 380 mAh capacity. I don't know how long the run times will be with this battery. I can check it later, and I will mention it in the video description. The charging cable needs a USB charger, something like this. I'm sure everyone has something like this at home, usually from a smartphone. And a Tamiya-like tool is also included. Of course, an instruction manual in English, German, French and Chinese is also included. The proportions of this Willys are very good. And look at these amazing scale details. Even the pads on the seats are made in real fabric, not just hard plastic. And there are so many scale details like shovel, axe, gas can and spare tire in the back. And a fully detailed dashboard. The chassis is also very true to scale. It has a leaf spring suspension. Metal drive shafts. And a chassis-mounted steering servo. This leaf spring setup gives not an extremely flex, like a 4-link suspension, but it's true scale and results in a realistic movement of this Willys Jeep. Now I remove this tape and open the engine hood. Here is the receiver and controller combo and a battery tray located. The transmitter needs 4 AAA batteries. The flashing light indicates that the transmitter is switched on. Now I install the battery and turn the car on with this little switch. Steering works, and as you can see it have also winkers. Even the steering wheel turns, together with the front wheels. And of course the tail lights work as well. But these lights are not always on. They can be switched from the transmitter. There are 4 different conditions. By pressing this LED button, we can switch through these conditions. And finally it moves. It is now in second gear. Now I shift into the first gear with this button on the transmitter, and you can see how different the gear ratio is. But in my opinion, a car like this needs a driver figure. I found this female wrestling figure in my junk, and it's in the right size. Only the feet have to be removed. She can hold the steering wheel and it looks not bad. I hope she is a good driver. The tires are made of soft sticky rubber and have a realistic tread. So, this is really a very well designed RC Willys Jeep. I'm looking forward to run it outside, and for sure I will do a running video. Stay tuned to see this and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now I say thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. See you next time at Matteo's RC Movies.